Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we are going to do a pronunciation request. And it's for four, count them four. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fun words that all rhyme. Oh, okay. And they're fun to add to your conversation. So come on, let's get it done. Our first word is Giggle. Giggle, giggle. Giggle. The G-I should be a soft G, but it's not. It's a hard G. Giggle. What's a giggle? A giggle is a small laugh. A giggle. Got it. Now, drop the G, put a J, you get jiggle. Jiggle? Yeah, jiggle, to move slightly and quickly. Think of like a jello. Jello jiggles. Jiggle. Okay, drop the J, put a W, we get wiggle. Wiggle. I like to wiggle, moving side to side. We say to kids all the time, hey, don't wiggle so much. You're in church. You got to get your wiggles out. Wiggle. Then finally we have wiggle. We take wiggle and we add an R between the W and the I and we get wriggle. Now the W is silent and it's wriggle. What is wriggle? Wriggle means twisting and turning to escape. Think of a fish on a hook. It wriggles to try to get off. Wriggle, to twist and turn to try to escape. We got to wriggle under the fence. Sometimes pets try to wriggle out of their cage. Got it? Giggle, a small laugh. Jiggle, to move slightly and quickly, like jello. Wiggle, moving side to side. Wiggle. And wriggle, twisting and turning to escape. Why does English have 4 words, 4, that are oh so fun to pronounce, oh so close in meaning, and oh so useful to add to our conversations? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. I giggled when the baby wiggled, jiggled, then wriggled while getting her diaper changed. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? You can. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.